Some travelers specifically prefer a toilet system that functions without the use of water or toilet fluids. That is why more and more separating toilets have been introduced to the market. These are toilets where the solid waste and urine are strictly separated. However, users are not yet completely satisfied with the ease of use and hygiene of these systems. Moreover, they are relatively expensive, and that is why Thetford is entering this segment. To take the concept to a higher level at very competitive prices, Thetford is launching two systems on the market. First of all, a fully separating toilet, like this S220, and also the S260, as replacements for our C220 and C260 cassette toilets. We offer these to OEMs, motorhome and caravan manufacturers, as well as self-builders. And for consumers who already have a C220 or a C260, we offer a separation kit. A separation kit for our cassette toilets consists of the following components. First of all, a complete toilet bowl, including both the inner and outer parts. 2 tanks, 1 tank for collecting solid waste and 1 urine tank. And finally, a connector, hose, and fitting to connect the toilet and the urine tank together. What makes Thetford's separation toilets so much more interesting? First of all, for the separation kit, the complete toilet bowl. Because both the outer and inner parts are completely renewed, this means there is a lot of stability and an easier installation. The toilet bowl has been optimized for both men and women. And, with a flap that is easy to operate on the side, we achieve 2 things. Firstly, the solid waste is kept out of sight and the separation process is actively supported. Both tanks are made from recycled plastic, with the urine tank also featuring a level indicator, so you can see when it needs to be emptied. And finally, the connection has been very cleverly designed so that when disconnecting or connecting, there is no leakage. So you never end up with dirty hands. Although separating toilets are designed not to use toilet fluids, we do still promote a number of consumer products. To keep your toilet bowl properly clean on a regular basis, we will be offering a toilet bowl spray. To combat urine tank odors and the buildup of urine scale, we will be offering a urine tank product. You collect the solid waste, for example, in bags. And we will be offering these, which will of course be made from recycled plastic. You want to dry the waste that ends up in these bags as quickly as possible, and for that, we offer a drying agent. This absorbs the moisture from the solid waste, thereby preventing the development of odors. And would you like to do something extra to combat odor development? For that, we have an optional fan available, which removes all unpleasant odors from your vehicle. For more information, you are welcome to visit Thetford.com.